Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best foosball tables that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have ESPN Arcade Foosball Table. This full-size arcade-style foosball table is a great size for most home game rooms. Weighing 92 pounds, it will stand firm through serious competition. The frame is solidly constructed of MDF, with a metal base and a fast PVC laminate playing surface. The 5/8-inch chrome-plated rods are easy to assemble without tools. The included set of 26 players are hand-painted in 2 team colors. Large 5-inch leg levelers provide full panel leg support for added stability. The manual bead scoring system keeps it simple and adds a touch of tradition. Moving on at number 4, we have Giantex 27 inches foosball table. The compact Giantex 27-inch soccer arcade is built to fit on a table or countertop. It is built light enough to take almost anywhere, stores easily, and can withstand high-energy play. The cabinet is constructed with engineered wood, the playing surface is plastic, and the rods are made of alloy steel. This kit includes 18 players, 3 rows of 3 players per side. Soft rubber grips make the rods easy to control, even for beginners. Ball returns and manual slide score counters are located at each end. At number 3, we have Atomic ProForce 56 inches foosball table. The Atomic foosball table is a quality full-size model for a value price. It's built with sturdy MDF lumber with attractive bamboo laminate. It features heavy-duty legs, 3.5-inch threaded leg levelers, and steel parts. The table includes manual scoreboards at each end, built-in end ball returns, and hollow chrome steel rods with comfortable octagonal rubber handles. The Atomic foosball table is built for a 3-goalie configuration, and it comes with 26 robot-style players. The 60-pound table is light enough to move easily, but stout enough to stay in place while playing. The anti-skid pads on the feet add more stability. At number 2, we have Rally and Roar Foosball Tabletop. The Rally and Roar Table Soccer features padded leg protectors for use on a tabletop. The 16-pound game features a flat playfield and 3-goalie configuration. The game comes pre-assembled and ready to play with 2 foosballs. The 9 foos men in each set per side, made of durable, lightweight ABS plastic, include 3 goalies, 3 defense, and 3 offense players. The rods are made with 1/2-inch steel and ergonomic, slip-resistant rubber handles. And finally at number 1, Hathaway Playoff 4 feet foosball table. The full-size Hathaway Playoff foosball table weighs just 51 pounds. Made of engineered wood and alloy steel, the lightweight, smaller size is perfect for kids who are learning to play. Many will love the bright, colorful soccer stadium graphics and dynamic, fast-paced play. This table is a nice transition size between tabletop toys and tournament-size models. The ergonomic handles are easy to control, and the simple analog counters make it easy to keep score. The fun graphic design, colorful uniformed players, and smooth action rods are fun for serious young foosballers and kids who just want to play around. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.